Frustrated with the Edsdk library DLL pop-up blocking Canon? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start the walkthrough for Edsdk library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Edsdk library, the Canon EOS Digital SDK library core. It manages the localized hardware handshakes and unmanaged command sending for Canon DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It facilitates the localized remote live view and high-speed localized image data pooling via USB or Wi-Fi, mandatory for specialized photography and tethering tools. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Edsdk library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Edsdk library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The versions of Edsdk library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Edsdk library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Edsdk library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.